every single day promoting Digistore 24 products. And if you are new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online with CPA and affiliate marketing. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can literally start earning passive income every single day with CPA marketing. So moving on to the video, what you are going to do is very simple. All you just need to do is to first of all head over to digistore24.com. If you don't have an account and you want to get yourself an account, it's absolutely free. All you need to do is to click on register now to create an account. And if you don't know how to create an account, I'm going to leave a video in the description. You can go watch that video on how to create a fully functioning Digistore 24 account. So once you have your account created, you want to make sure to click on the marketplace section. You are going to see it somewhere around your dashboard. All right. So once you click on that, you want to come to the search section and you want to type in Etsy. Okay. So basically, if you type in Etsy right here, you want to click on search here, and I'm going to show you how to make hundreds of dollars every single day with this Digistore 24 product. So basically, this is a product that is going to help Etsy sellers to make more money promoting their product on Facebook and on Instagram. Okay, so basically, as you can see, this product is going to pay you $24.70 for every successful sale you make. And now if you go over to etsy.com, for those who don't know, basically it's a platform that allows you to sell varieties of products from jewelries and accessories, clothes and shoes, home and living item, and basically whatever product you can think of, you can basically find them on Etsy. And also, if you come over to similarweb.com, etsy.com gets over 500 million visits every single month. So basically, this traffic is huge, and I'm going to show you how you can capitalize on this traffic and make money promoting this Digistore 24 product. So first thing, you want to go over to the sales page of this product to see if the product is even worth promoting. So now what you want to do is to click on promote now, and you are going to grab your affiliate link. Then you want to go over to a new tab to open this affiliate link. So once your link opens up, as you can see right here, so basically this product is going to help Etsy sellers connect their Etsy store to Facebook, and this in turn is going to bring them more sales, more profit. And basically this product is also going to help them automate the whole process. So basically, if they have a lot of products on their store and they are not getting a lot of traffic, basically using this product is going to help them get more exposure on Facebook and on Instagram. All right. So now you may be wondering, how do you get people on Etsy to purchase this product? All right. So basically, if you scroll down a bit, you are going to see the advantage of using this product. The sellers are going to sell more of their product. It's going to save their time. Like I said, this product is going to automate the whole process, and also it's going to help them get more customers on their product. All right. So basically, now what you want to do is to go over to etsy.com and you want to create an account. So once you have your account created, the next step you are going to do is to come over to your profile section and you want to click on this view profile. Okay, so once you do that, you want to click on this edit public profile. So now what you want to do from here, you want to choose a profile photo. Okay, you don't have to upload your real photo. You can basically come over to this website, thispersondoesnotexist.com, and you can download these images and use them as your profile photo. Okay, so basically I'm just going to download this image, and once you have the image downloaded, you want to basically come over to your Etsy account and you want to upload that image. Okay, so once you upload the image, you want to then scroll down and you want to click on save changes. Once you do that, you are going to see your profile photo, and basically this is just to make your account look legit and makes it look like a real person is the one in charge of that account. So now the next step is to basically change your name. You want to click on this change name, and then you want to head over to this website, fakenamegenerator.com. Okay, so once you come over to this website, you can basically choose the gender. Since this is a male photo right here, you can basically come over to this website and you can change the gender to male, and you can click on generate. So once you do that, all you just need to do is to copy this name and you want to paste it in your Etsy account. So now once you do that, you want to paste the name right here and you want to copy the second name, and you want to also paste in the name right here and you want to click on save changes. So once you do that, as you can see right here, this looks like a real person account. So basically this is all you need to do, and you can also add your city right here if you want to do that. And basically if you go back to this website, so basically I can just select this as my city, All right, and I can just basically paste it right here. You can basically fill out all these details if you want, but basically this is more than enough. Once you're done, all you just need to do is to click on save changes. So once everything looks good and your profile is good to go, you want to go back to Etsy homepage. So once you come back to the homepage, you want to basically choose any product right here. It doesn't matter. The process is virtually the same. All right. So now I'm going to be clicking on these jewelries and accessories. So once you do that, you are going to see a lot of products right here, and you don't want to go for product on this first page because basically that tells you these people are already making a lot of money and they don't really need any assistance with any money on their products. So what you want to do from here, you want to basically scroll to the bottom of the page, and here you are going to see next, and you want to start from like the 8th page. So basically this tells you people right here are not making a lot of money. So basically, as you can see, this product has only 2 reviews. Although this is an ad by this seller right here, and basically this tells you if these people are willing to spend money on ads, then definitely they are going to be willing to look into this product that's going to help them generate more sales. So basically, once you do this, you are going to see sellers that are already running ads to their product on Etsy. As you can see right here, you can see ads by Valley Girls Shop right here. And now you can see this person has only 2 reviews on this product. So basically, if they are spending money to run ads on Etsy, definitely they are going to be interested and be willing to take a look at this product right here. All right. So now the next thing you want to do is to basically click on their account. You can see this also another one. This one has no review at all, and this one has 1 review. So basically, you want to look for accounts that have little to no reviews on their product. So I'm going to take this one as an example. So once you click on the product, you want to scroll down to the very bottom and you want to click on message Valley Girls. Okay. So basically this is the owner of this product. Now, as I showed you, this account has only 2 reviews on this product. Okay. And they are already running ads, which tells you they are serious about making money promoting their product. So basically, if you show them this product, they are more than likely to purchase this product because you already know they are serious about making money promoting their product. So now the next step is to basically copy your affiliate link, and you want to shorten your link. You can basically create a landing page if you want, but if you are lazy, you can just use a URL shortener to shorten your affiliate link. So after shortening your link, you want to copy the shortened link and you want to basically go onto Etsy. And now once you come back to Etsy, as you can see, so once you click on message, you can type in a short message like this. Hello, you can increase your sales and save time with Etsy connector, which is this product right here. Okay. So once you do that, you can just basically, then you can leave a link right here. Once they click on this link, they will be brought to this page. And once they purchase this product, you make $24.70. So basically, if you message 100 people every day and you just get less than 10 people to purchase the product. So let's say you get only 6 people out of 100 daily to purchase this product. You are already making about $150 a day promoting this product. And like I said, you want to make sure you go for people who are already spending money to promote their product, because that tells you those people are serious about making money promoting their product. So they are more than likely, and there's a very high chance they are going to consider this product as well. So basically, you want to repeat this process for all of these categories. So basically, if you take action and implement this strategy, you are definitely going to make money. So basically, that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, please leave a like on the video. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.